still want you to like this video, subscribe to this video, comment in this video, and share the video. Good morning, good morning, good morning. I feel exceptionally well. I feel exceptionally encouraged and uplifted this morning. I just do. I thank God for waking me up this morning with this joy in my heart. I have a reason for creating this video. It is twofold. First, I was watching a video, and I'll tell you who the video was actually created by a fellow YouTuber, and I'm going to put her name right here, where she was using headbands on her hair. And I said I would try that technique with some headbands. So I went and I looked, and I didn't want to go out and buy headbands, so I could only find one. And then this morning, I went to get it, and I couldn't find that one either. This is what I'm going to do. This is how I went to bed last night. This is actually a Loc Sock. I can wear my hair like this, and I could use my Loc Sock as a headband. And I want to thank her for doing that video, because now I realize that there are some other things I can do with my Sisterlocks, especially in my efforts to keep my hair out of my face. And so I could wear my hair like this. Yes. And you guys, this is some kind of scarf, or I think it's called a ribbon scarf. And I was given this by my sister. Now I'm going to try this. I'm going to try it by pulling this back first. I'm going to take this one. Just watch as I do it. And then I can tell you the second reason for making this video. I received a private message from a friend of mine. And she was telling me that her mother watches me in the morning. And I was just so blown away by it. I'm giving a shout out to Emma. Hi, Emma. Thank you for watching my videos. I hope that I say something or do something to inspire you during your day. And I want to say thank you. I appreciate people like you. I hope you have subscribed to my channel. And that's how you can find me every day. Thank you so much for all that you do. Now, guys, this one is a little bit too long. I'm going to treat this head wrap in the back like a ponytail. So I'm taking one of my trusty goodie clips, and I'm going to put it right back here. Okay. Now I have to see how that looks in the back. Okay. All right, I have this hanging down, but of course, I can tuck it in. And now, this serves as a head wrap. And I have several tops that I can wear that will match this headband. Oh yeah, oh yeah, this is gonna work. This works. I can pull it forward if I want my hair to be more uplifted and down to the side. There we go. I'm going to try one more Loc Sock because I really want you to know that this is a Loc Sock that I'm using to wrap my hair. Now this is really soft and easy to come off. I'm going to try one of these Loc Socks that has one of my favorite colors. So I'm going to show you how I put my Loc Sock on at night when I'm only wearing my Loc Sock. And I need to get some more. And the reason I need to get more is because they don't cover my hair the way they used to. And I'll show you why I say that. Now you see, one time my hair was all the way up in here and now it's not. That's how much my hair has grown. I'm going to show you how we can wear this as a headband. So I'm just fluffing out my hair. Okay. And I can wear a wide headband like this. I can take this over to the side for fullness. Or I'm just going to scrunch it some, guys. I'm just going to scrunch it. I'm going to push it back and let it be a little bit different from the way I wore the other one. Okay? Just push it back a little bit. And there we go. And you know what? I think the hue from this and in here, they go together pretty well. I'm going to wear this today. This is how I'm rocking my hair today. This is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends and my family. I love my subscribers. But I especially love God because he's been so good to me. I realize that this joy that I feel this morning is a result of God in my heart. It's the result of being influenced by other women of God. Thank you for the message this morning. Thank you, Emma. And thank you to the young lady that did the video on headbands. Have a great day. Have a great day. I still want you to like this video, subscribe to this video, comment in this video, and share the video with your friends. If you like me, they might like me too. Yes. Have a wonderful day.